So this is the product. You can't really see, but I've topped up the water. Just enough for a small coffee. Done 1 scoop of coffee. You have 2 buttons. You press that one and also this one. And then you wait. Taking it out a little bit too early though. Maybe learn from my mistake and not take it out too early. Maybe have a little look inside. I think it's definitely stopped now. So it wasn't a full cup, which is what I wanted. This does, if you fill up the cup and then put the same amount in, it's the maximum amount, and it does fill it to about here, I think. So it's not evaporated like some people may think. Yeah, brilliant.
This is a quick 1-minute review on the barista style coffee authentic taste by Salters. To be honest, it's good. It is good. I just haven't used mine in a few months because it's too noisy for me. I live with other people. I wake up early in the morning and I want to make a quick coffee to take it to work or to drink before work. But this is just too noisy for me. So I haven't used it. If you live with other people and you want to stay quiet whilst using it, this is not the best option. Buy something else. But if you don't mind the noise, honestly, it's amazing. It works just as it says. It's good. It will be good, amazing for office spaces. If you have good soundproofing in your house, it will be amazing. It's easy to use, easy to clean, easy to maneuver. I would recommend, but it's not for me.